Hello students, today I will explain the quantum number. Quantum number means those number which give the complete address of an electron in an atom. That where the electron is present in an atom means the number of shell, it may be orbital also, number of orbital, suborbital, shell, orbital, suborbital, either the electron are in upward direction or in downward direction. This is the complete address of the electron. Now we will start from the first quantum number. There are four quantum number. First is principal quantum number. Principal quantum number are those quantum number which gives the number of shell of an electron in an atom. Like suppose it is NL. N is the number of shell while L is the orbital. Okay. See, suppose here it is written 1s. 1s means N equals to 1 means electron are present in the first cell. Suppose 3d is written here means the electron are present in the third cell. So this is the principal quantum number which is represented by small n. Next is angular momentum quantum number or azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number are those quantum number which gives the subshell or it may also call the orbital. Orbital, as you study in earlier, that there are S, P, D, F, various type of orbital. For S orbital, the value of azimuthal quantum number is 0. For P, it will be 1. For D, it will be 2. And for F, it will be 3. Get it? Means if here 3D is written, so N will be 3 while the value of azimuthal quantum number is represented by small l and the value of L equals to 2 according to SPDF 0, 1, 2, 3. It is clear? Now there is another example here. Suppose I have written 4f. 4f means the electron are present in fourth cell and f orbital. Okay. Now if there is a question that if the value of n is 2, what is the value of L? When the name of orbital is not given, in this condition the value of L when be calculated by the formula n minus n means for the n equals to 2, the value of L will be 1 and 1 will be for p orbital, means p orbital के अंदर होगा, the complete orbital will be 2p. It is clear? Next topic is the magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number means it gives the subcell or suborbital. Like suppose electrons are 2p2. Here Hund rule will be applied. In 2p2 electrons are filled like this. Firstly they occupied the single space. After then they will pairing. Means the electron is present in this cell. It is known as px, py and pz. Means n equals to 2, L equals to p के लिए 1 वैल्यू आती है और यहाँ पर m की वैल्यू यहाँ py है. But in the numeral form the value for m equals to minus L to plus L. Okay, means for 2p the value is, for 2p, suppose 2p2 is here, n equals to 2, L equals to 1 and m equals to minus 1, 0, plus 1 and electron in present in second cell. That's why the electron will be in this cell, means the m की value, the value of m is 0. Next is spin quantum number. Spin quantum number always give the spin either the electron is present in upward direction or in the downward direction. Now there is a summary here for your knowledge that if 2s1 is given here, the value of n will be 2, value of L will be 0, M will be 0 and S है तो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन हुंड रूल वर्क कर रहा है यहाँ पर. हुंड रूल के अकॉर्डिंग एक इलेक्ट्रॉन सिंगली ऑक्यूपाई होगा, मीन्स इट विल बी इन अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन. दैट्स वाई अब एस की वैल्यू अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन ऊपर है तो ये होगी 1/2 और अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन नीचे है तो ये होगी -1/2. इट इज़ क्लियर. आई एम टेकिंग हियर द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. सपोज हियर आई हैव रिटन 3d4. For 3d4 n will be 3, L will be 2, M -2 -1 0 +1 +2. It is clear. How many number of suborbital here? 1 2 3 4 5. Means जो total number होगा वो M = 2L + 1 होता है. That is the rule. और यहाँ इलेक्ट्रॉन हम फिल कर रहे हैं. देयर आर द 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हियर. 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन है तो इलेक्ट्रॉन जाएंगे लाइक दिस. 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन विल बी फिल्ड एज 1 2 3 4 और ये है -2 -1 0 +1. मीन्स m की वैल्यू आपकी +1 होगी. इट इज़ क्लियर. नाउ on this topic your unit has been completed. In next video we will prepare the next unit, classification of elements. Okay class, have a nice day.